Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Mr. Classic. Are you that person who is very curious to know how much YouTube pay their creators on this platform for their 1000 views and above? On this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how much YouTube paid me for a 1 million short views, and I will start from my 1000 short views then to my 1.5 million short views. So if you really want to know how much I generated for these videos, then stay to the end of this video while I take you straight to my Creator Studio screen and show you everything there live and direct. So without wasting much of your time, let's head over to my screen. So guys, I'm currently on my screen right now. As you can see, this is my Creator Studio. So I'm going to start showing you guys how much I generated for my short views, starting from the 1000 views. Okay, so we'll start from this video right here. As you can see, this video start from this video. It has a 1.4 thousand views, 1400 views. So let me just head over to the revenue part so that you can see everything properly. Okay, so as you can see, this video generated 12 cents. Okay, it generated 12 cents, and the RPM of this video is 0.08 cents. This one is not even up to $1 self. As you can see, I got 8 cents per 1000 views on my YouTube shorts that generated 1426 views, right? So now let's go back to check the other ones. So now let me show you this video that has a 10,000 views. Okay, let me show you this one. As you can see, this video got 10,800 views. It got 17 subscribers and it generated 58 cents. Okay, it generated 58 cents. Let's head over to the revenue part so that you can see how much YouTube paid. Okay, YouTube paid me 5 cents per 1000 views for this video. Imagine. You shock you, right? So look at, I got 10,000 views and I got 58 cents from my video. So don't panic yet, don't panic yet. There are a lot of people who are making money from shorts. You know, if you are heavily on short form content, if you focus more on short form content, and you are that kind of person that gets like 500,000 to 1 million views per upload, then you will really be cashing out from this YouTube Shorts content monetization program. Okay, now let me just head over to the 700,000 views on this channel. Okay, let me head over to this 700,000 views on this channel. Then I will check my 1 million views. Then we can round up this video. Okay, so this video generated 764,000 views and it generated $27.84. As you can see it here, it got 3,100 subscribers and this is the views it generated. Now let's see how much we made per 1000 views for this video. So as you can see, I earned 4 cents per 1000 views for this particular video that generated 764,000 views. So guys, let me show you how much I made per 1 million views on this video. As you can see, most of these videos are coming from the videos I made about Mobad that certain time. So let me just, so guys, this video you are seeing right here generated 1.1 million views. It got 6,800 subscribers and it generated $37.12. Okay, $37.12 for 1.1 million views. Now let's head over and see how much we made per 1000 views, the RPM on this video. So the RPM, imagine what I got. Guys, it seems as if the more views I get on this channel, the lesser my RPM is. Look at, we got 3 cents. We got 3 cents for 1000 views for this particular video. Now let me show you how much I generated for my highest video on this YouTube channel. Okay, let me show you how much I generated for the highest views on this YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, this particular video I generated over 1.5 million views on this particular video. This video got 6,600 subscribers and I earned $111.98. Now let's head over to the revenue part. Let's see how much we made per 1,000 views on this particular video. Okay, now let's scroll down. As you can see, I generated 7 cents per 1,000 views on this particular video, and this video has generated approximately 1.6 million views, and I earned $111.98 from this particular video. So guys, that is it. As you have seen all the money I generated from my YouTube shorts. So if you are that person who is planning on starting to create content on YouTube and you are focusing more on the short part, then just know that you need to look for other side hustle to support your work, because the earnings on shorts are very little. But if you really want to make money off your content, or you want to take YouTube as a full-time career, then you need to try the long form content as well, because that is where the money is. Like, what you earn for 1,000 views on a long form content, that is what you can earn for over 50,000 views on a short form content, depending on the RPM of that particular video. So if you are watching this video right now and you have a friend, a brother or a sister, or a colleague out there at your working place who is a content creator, and that person focus more on shorts, then I think and this is the right time you need to send them half bag of rice and half bag of gari. Let them use to be following up. Because it's so cold outside, my brother. So that's it. That's what YouTube paid their creators for 1,000 views. I believe this particular video now I just made now is not in general. Okay, the earnings might vary in different channels, okay, depending on the kind of niche you are making. Okay, those people who create like tech form content, or who make this kind of content that I make now, or that make tutorial review videos, cooking videos, the revenues for that particular kind of content might be different for those people who make comedy skits or entertainment videos. Okay, so just know the difference. The RPM of every video of every channel might be different. What you generated for 1,000 views on your short on your channel might be different from what another person will generate for 1,000 views on their short on their own channel. So understand that. But I have a good news for those people who create short form content on YouTube here. If you know you are creating short form content on YouTube, YouTube is planning on releasing a new feature on YouTube that will enable creators to upload shorts that are longer than 1 minute. Okay, they want to extend it now to 3 minutes. Every creator now can upload short form content on their channel that is above 1 minute long to 3 minutes long maximum. So I believe when these features start coming out to many creators, and I believe the earnings will be very different from the earnings we are earning from 1 minute short form content. Okay, so don't give up yet. Keep posting, keep creating content. Who knows, this might be the time you will buy that house you have been planning to buy after YouTube rolls out this long YouTube shorts. So if you watch this video to this very point, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification, because on this channel I post about how to make money online, tutorial tips and creator tips that will help you grow on YouTube. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video. See you guys on my next video, and bye for now.